Hi. This is Guillermo. Guillermo Nilas is already knocked out. His face is very sleepy. He's very acne. He smells like my ass, and he smells like shit. See that face. See, already knocked out. What the fuck? He has work tomorrow, but he is sleeping today. What a dick. See that face. She already like motherfucking shit, man. I don't know, man. I'm already drunk, but okay. Here's the main event. Ryan Gonzalez. Okay, man. Okay, let's do the thing, man.
He like cock.
I like cock very much, yeah.
Cock long.
Yeah. Like this, man. Like this.
YouTube.
Oh, that's sparring Ryan. Okay, if you YouTube that, then after that, no more Generoso. Okay, we don't YouTube that. Okay, we only YouTube sparring Timo. Sparring Timo. Do you have dildo, man? We can suck in his mouth, man, like that dildo. Yeah. Like that, Hey, don't cover the lights, okay? Don't block the driveway because it's very tough on your skin, okay?
Two dildo.
Hey, man, what you doing, man?
Two dildo.
Yeah. Luisa dumped you, man.
Yeah.
You're a shit, man. You're a shit.
That's what Luisa is a bitch.
That's why we call you See this guy, man. See, okay.
Dildo.
See, man. In long range, see the body, man. Like a 2-year-old, man. Yeah. Hi, Grandma. Nice to meet you. see your granddaughter, Ryan. Is already drunk. Yeah, because
Hatid ko na sigari.
Yeah, Ryan very drunk. See the face. She's already drunk. Okay, that's all, folks. This sparring June, but this sparring tomorrow. See this man, he is drunk. Look at this man, that is the hard part, man. Powerful part. Okay, that's all. Thank you. I love you.